Halo guys, nah ini tutorial bongkar apa sih? Klaher ya?
Ganti.
Ganti klaher.
Dari bosing jadi
Ganti
klaher.
bosing jadi klaher ya kan?
Dari ini
masih aslinya.
Ini dari sini ya. Ini yang baru ya Pak?
ini tipe 608.
Kan kelihatan kan? Terus diganti dengan
Ini gantinya.
I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was all.
A few moments later.
ya, nah dites. Kenceng nih di bearing. Halus. Terus ini teknisi kiro-kiro ini.
Kira-kira.
Ini namanya teknisi kiro-kiro ya guys.
Kira-kira.
Terus lah.